moonshine time in the hills of Connemara, and the Poitín patrol strikes again. The long and the strong arm of the law dashing one moonshiner's hopes of a Christmas bonanza. In 24 hours' time, this heady brew of barley, yeast and sugar would have become £2,500 worth of poitín. But tonight it's being mixed unceremoniously with lake and bog water instead of ice cubes or cloves. This makeshift stillhouse was discovered in one of the remotest corners of Lettermullen, half an hour's walking distance from the nearest road. And in keeping with the time-honoured tradition, the Moonshine Patrol was making sure that the do-it-yourself distillery wasn't going to reopen for production in the near future. This particular seizure was one of 14 which the Gardaí have made in the area, capturing a total of £6,000 worth of drink and equipment. The Gardaí say they believe less poitín is now being made in Connemara than in previous years. At £8 to £10 a bottle, it isn't, they say, as highly sought after as in times past. And apart from the older practitioners who pride themselves on their skills, fewer young people are now willing to face fines of £1,000 for having or selling the illegal brew. It could be, they said tonight, a reflection of the changing times we live in.